Once again, welcome back to this video tutorial. In this video, we can discuss about the properties of C operations like operator precedence and associativity. Operator precedence determines which operator is evaluated first when an expression has more than one operators. Okay, suppose an expression has more than one operators. In such situation, the operator precedence determine which operator is to evaluate first. Okay, consider one example like this. This is an expression 100 minus 2 into 30. So the evaluated result is 40. How can we evaluate this expression? We can evaluate like this: 100 minus 2 into 30. That means we need to evaluate this one first. Then we can subtract the result from 100. Okay, this is the correct evaluation method. This is a wrong method of evaluation. Okay, so this is the right one. This 100 minus 2 first, then multiplication by 30. This is a wrong evaluation method. Okay, so this one is right and is determined based on the operator precedence property. Okay, this is this particular expression or this particular method of evaluation is right because here the precedence of the multiplication operation is higher than that of this subtraction operation. Okay, so the precedence, operator precedence determine which operation want to perform first based on the precedence value associated with different operators present in that expression. Okay, so this is about operator precedence. Next is about the associativity of operators. Associativity is used when there are two or more operators of same precedence is present in an expression. Okay, precedence means if more than one operators are available in an expression, they are different. More than one different types of operators are available, then we need to decide which operator want to execute first. That is determined by the operator precedence. Okay, next is about the associativity of operator. Associativity is used when two or more operators of the same precedence available in an expression. Once more, if an expression with more than one operators and the operators having same precedence, in that case we need to consider the associativity of the operator. Okay, for example, multiplication and division operations have the same precedence. And consider this expression like 5 into 2 divided by 10. These two having the same precedence. In that case, we need to consider the associativity, and the associativity is from left to right. So the correct evaluation method is 5 into 2 first, then divide by 10. Okay, so here is the next example: 20 divided by 2 into 5. Here also this division and multiplication with the same priority. We need to evaluate 20 divided by 2 first, then multiply by 5. Okay, so this is about associativity of operation. So this table indicates the operator with its associativity, and each row, the different operators available in each row indicate operators with the same precedence. Okay, so these operators having the same precedence and these set having the same precedence and so and so, and also moving from top to bottom, the precedence or priority of the operator get reduced. Okay, that means these operators having the higher priority comparing with this set of operators, but operators present in a single cell here, all these having the same priority, but these set of operators having higher priority than that of these and so. Okay, so priority or the precedence value reduced while moving from top to bottom, and the set of operators available in a single cell having the same priority value. Okay, so this multiplication, division and modulo, all this having the same priority, but these have higher priority than this plus and minus operation. These two having lower priority than that of this set of arithmetic operation. Okay, suppose an expression having these two together in that expression, in that case we need to consider the associativity also. Here the associativity is defined as left to right. In that case we can calculate or evaluate the expression from left to right. Okay, suppose another expression having this multiplication and modulo operation together in an expression, then we identify or we decide that these two operations having the same precedence. So we need to consider the associativity, and the associativity is defined from left to right. Okay, so these are the property of operations, that is the precedence and associativity. Okay, precedence in precedence property is used when an expression having two different operators with different precedence value, and if an expression with operators having the same precedence is available, then we need to consider the associativity, and based on the associativity determine in which direction we want to perform the expression evaluation. Okay, thank you.